Oh, iPhone recording, baby! Let me tell you guys why I'm recording on my iPhone, first of all. It's because I sold my camera. The G7X is gone. It's gone. It's off in another world now. I don't even know which camera I'm recording on because there's 3 on the 12 Pro Max and I don't know which camera to even look at, so I'm gonna look at all 3 and hope that works. We are temporarily recording on the iPhone. The intro clip obviously wasn't on an iPhone because we have a temporary camera, which you will see soon after this SDI is done getting washed. Lots of adventures for today with a new camera setup for now, temporary camera setup for now. We're borrowing Nikki's camera.
Keep scrubbing, child. Show me the face of anger, Landon.
I'm not even angry. So tired. That we just saw the car wash. Hello, brother. Did he wave at you? Probably not. Not gonna lie. Okay, boys, let me tell you something right now. A lot of the new 2015 plus owners don't like the wave. I'm not even talking shit. I'm being serious. Have you noticed that?
There's a red one right there.
And there's another Super right there. Whoa, hello, Subi gang. He'll wave at us, 1000%.
He'll wave at us.
Well, oh wait, no, that's a newer one actually. He might not. Let's give him a wave. Wave, hello. Oh, he didn't wave at us. What a bitch. This guy didn't wave at us either. No one likes us. I just don't like me. No one likes me. I can see myself now. Yeah, when we get the wide angle lens on, it's gonna look so much better. But I feel so weird holding this camera because it's huge. And he has a DSLR. It's a Nikon 5600 series. Nikon 5600 series camera. Look what the microphone just hit. And we have an external mic. I bought an external mic because next camera is gonna have an external mic port, and it's not gonna be a DSLR. It will not be a DSLR. But I'm just gonna throw it out there. It's not gonna be the G7X Mark III either, because if you're an OG and you watch my G7X Mark III versus G7X Mark II video, man, my hand's getting tired from holding this camera up.
That sucks.
Oh yeah, if you watch that video, then you know the Mark III was kind of a letdown, sadly. So we're in a different route. The maker of this camera also makes consoles. Just throwing that out there. Hello, brother. WX brother. You just want to wave at us. Okay.
Actually, I think I left my stuff to at your house.
You did? Yeah. What are we doing today, Lando?
Riding a boat. I'm eating chips.
What am I doing? Out here, chilling. We're about to run some birds over.
Oh, hey, Mr. Bird.
Hi, sisters. Bro, if Kitty saw these birds, he would try to eat them. No joke, he would. Me and Landon gotta do all the work. Well, someone doesn't have to do anything. You wanna try to eat some?
No.
Why not?
I feel like he should be in the back because he's practicing.
Thank you, Landon. Go, Landon, go this way to the skate park.
I don't know which way the skate park is.
That's right.
U-turn.
Go up faster. Then we're getting hold up by the Loch Ness Monster. Dude, my legs hurt so bad. Fuck. Landon pedals. Oh my god, I'm tired. I swear, I'm so tired.
Can at least help a little.
Okay. Out of shape.
You should go spin class like me.
Look at my camera, so clear. I'm using my iPhone still, boys, and it's just so clear because we don't want to bring the big camera on, obviously, on this boat just in case someone dropped it. And Nikki's camera is very expensive, so I don't want to pay for it. I'm so tired. I'm pedaling hella fast. This is harder than pedaling a bike, huh?
Oh yeah.
1000% harder.
I want to feel if the water's cold, but I don't want to touch it because it looks really dirty.
What if you put your hand in there and the alligator pops out?
Duck shit water. I need to know if it's cold or not.
Touch it. You won't? You want me to touch it?
There's water down there.
Should I touch the water? It's cold, but it's not that cold.
You know, something you just need to know.
It's not that cold.
Like, anytime I'm in the body of water, I need to know about body.
It's not super duper cold. You touch it?
It's not that cold.
Yeah, surprisingly, it feels warmer than the ocean, not gonna lie. We're spoiled. We live next to the ocean and we hardly ever come over here.
Oh, no, that's cold.
It's not that bad.
It's pretty cold.
Let's go! Nas!
What do we do if the pedals just break off?
we use our phones as an oar. We start pedaling back to shore.
It's like just use our legs.
10 out of 10 would recommend a paint job like this. Look at this. Wrap my car this color. Sparkly, purple. Looks so good. They had a little rotation.
As long as it's not pitch quiet, I can fall asleep.
Like,
As long as it's not pitch quiet, I can fall asleep.
how's the pedaling going, Schnicks?
It's like I can fall asleep anywhere.
Ah, my leg.
Like I can fall asleep when I'm like moving in a car. Oh my god, we're drifting!
Oh shit! Help me! I'm about to fall in and I can't get up. Bro, I feel like there's alligators in here, dead ass. It looks like alligators would be in here. Dude, my camera's so clear. I cannot get over how clear this iPhone camera is.
There's the duck.
Where?
The duck.
He's over there. Duck, come back. You cold, Schnicks? You gotta get warmed up. Pedal. Faster. Spin class. Damn, boy. Not even on the seat. Landon about to fall in.
Dude.
If you fall in, Landon, that'd be good content. I'll give you $5. Pretty relaxing, huh? No idea.
I'm pretty sure if there were alligators in this water, it's like we could have paid for half an hour. What are they gonna do? Get us?
I know. Landon almost drowns.
There's what in the water? Child.
Oh, that's a good one. There's what in the water? Alright. Let go of the boat though. Let go of the boat. Put your hand up. Put it up like you're gonna fall. Like straight up. Go put your hand straight up, Landon, like you're falling.
Like straight up? What do you mean?
Like put your hand straight up, like right in front of your head. Yeah. We've been challenged to a race by these boaters right here. Dun, dun, dun. Insert epic music right here.
At that the Pokemon music.
Dun 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 dun. Yeah, bitch. The Pokemon battle music. I know what he's talking about. Ah, gapped bitches. Oh, hey Shinkies. Look at her. She's like, why do I have to live with these guys? We drive her crazy.
Stress me out.
So we stress her out. We don't drive her crazy. We stress her out with all the dangerous things we do.
They aren't even dangerous.
Exactly. Nikki had a good video idea right now. We rent one of these boats. We go to the other side where no one can see us, and we get off and go on the island. Let us know if you want us to do it. I'm down. Landon, you down? Are you down to try
Oh
it?
no, look at there's a little carabiner.
Yeah, we'll use our carabiner right there and we'll hook it up to something. Easy.
It's a hook.
Yeah, it's a carabiner. Let us know if you want us to do it. 200 likes and we'll do it.
Use your hands.
There's our entrance right there. Remember, 200 likes. We're going in the island of adventures. Or 200 likes, we'll go in there. Shit. 1000% I'll go in there. You're coming with me, Landon.
Okay, I guess I'm coming with you.
200 likes. We're going in.
Make it 300.
200. We're going in.
As you can see, we spotted a wild animal. It's a turtle. We spotted a wild turtle out here. Blimey, Harry. You ever learned where your mother and father learned it all? You're a wizard, Harry. Look at there he is. Oh, he's gonna eat right now. Look at it. He's ready to feast on something. Hi, sister.
Hey, sisters. E to the iPi plus 1 equals 0.
Look at this man. I'm acting different with some glasses on. He acting different with some glasses on.
E to the iPi plus 1 equals 0.
You look more mature. Those are blue light glasses, by the way. Those aren't actual glasses. We need blue light glasses because we're nerds and we like to game, bro. We like to game, bro. You know, I swear it feels so weird holding a huge camera. Like, I'm using my mini tripod, but it ain't quite cutting it because I think this camera's slightly too heavy for my tripod. But don't worry, this is the last time we are using this camera. If I sound tired, I kind of just crawl out of bed about 30 minutes ago, and it is already 12:10, daylight savings time. Welcome to daylight savings time. Hello. But anyways, we're gonna go pick up our new camera finally. I'm excited. I like Nikki's camera a lot. It's really clear, really smooth, but I can't use your camera forever. I need my own camera, and I can't use a DSLR. I didn't realize how heavy DSLRs are until I started using one to record with. Even though yesterday on the boats, because it's actually the next day in case you couldn't tell. Yesterday on the boats, I was using my iPhone, and my iPhone recorded surprisingly clear. At least when I watched it back on the screen, it did. So I'm gonna pull up the clips like when I put them on my computer, you know, and see how it recorded, how well it recorded. I'm curious because now it made me even more excited for this camera because we are upping the quality, baby. You'll see what I mean. Let's go. So here it is, boys. A new camera. Open box, yes, okay. So this is obviously, as you can see, Sony ZV-1, right? This camera usually goes for about, I think, 800 bucks retail, right? Best Buy had it on sale right now for $750, but I got it open box in good condition for $675. So I had to do it. I had to get it. This is what I wanted. We're gonna up the quality to 4K, baby. It's finally time. This is something I've really been wanting to do. Like, obviously you guys may not know this because I say a lot of my thoughts out on videos, but one thing I really been wanting to do is upping the quality. Like, I like 1080p's fine, you know, like, obviously I don't have a very big channel, but for my own mentality, I wanted higher quality. I just wanted it. I need 4K because my iPhone, I'm telling you, I looked on my iPhone, recorded in 4K, and I was like, why is this so good? I looked at reviews on the ZV-1 and I'm like, okay, you know, you all know I already tried the G7X Mark III. Didn't work out very well for me. I didn't really care for it. But now I've seen this, seen lots of good reviews on the ZV-1, so we're gonna try it out. By the way, in case you guys didn't know, Kitty thinks he's Pikachu a lot of the time. Look at him. Kitty, turn around over here. Show him your face. He likes crawling on people. He likes crawling on me. Hello. Let's see if I can get him to crawl to Nikki. Come here. Go to Nikki, Kitty. Go to her. There he goes. He's getting ready to go. Go, Kitty, come on. Crawl to Nikki. No, he jumped off. He's like, nah, I don't want to do it no more. He's done. So tell me, boys, how do I look in 4K? Nikki Partella cricket, but how do I look in 4K? How does she look in 4K? Look at her. Look at us in 4K. Go back to car more. Are you cricket? I'm in 4K. I'm just camera testing right now. It's a little windy out here too, so I'm just really just camera testing right now, you know. And if you don't know what we're doing, I don't even know if I should turn this around. I don't even know if I want to say what we're doing because this other video hasn't came out yet. And since this video hasn't came out yet, I can't review what we're doing. Or we're doing something. You'll see. Someone guess the song. I know someone's gonna know the song. Guess the song. Let's go. That's the song. Guess the song. I messed up the last part, but you should know what the song is. Based on that small part we played. We got here, let's go. We are currently on the hunt. Men's special, women's special, youth specials, to the end where it says youth specials. Lando Reno's looking for some good shoes. But not just any shoes.
I need the rolly ones.
The ones that roll. Ooh, we found him. Look at this dude taking risk. Come on, Lando, do it. Oh, he's supposed to go across the wood again. Where are you going? And look at this girl. And look at this dude. Oh, go Lando, go. Oh, oh, he can't get it no more. Too much pressure. Too much pressure from the camera. Oh, buttery smooth, baby. Coming in hot.
It's like I can fly.
I can fly. Are you out, skater girl? You're like walking.
Yeah.
Shoo! 10 out of 10 would recommend Heelys.
It's not even that hard. I literally haven't done this in years and I remember how to do it. It's not even that hard.
Once you do it, you don't forget. Easy. Skates really are. Let's go.
Walking is boring.
Hey man, why don't you get some Heelys?
What are those?
You never heard of Heelys?
What are Heelys?
Here, try them out.
Okay.